Hello students, welcome to my channel Mathematics Friend. Today we are going to learn application of Sridhar Acharya's formula. We learned Sridhar Acharya's formula, actually derivation of Sridhar Acharya's formula in our previous video. If you did not watch it, you must watch the previous video. To learn mathematics with fun and proper conception, stay with me and subscribe my channel. Application of Sridhar Acharya's formula. General form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. General form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now the question is, what is A, what is B and what is C? Coefficient of x square is A. A is a number. Coefficient of x is B and C is constant. C is a constant. Now assume A, that is value of A, is equal to 1, value of B is equal to minus 17 and value of C is equal to 30. Now put all these values in general form. So putting this value, we get x square into 1, that is x square, minus 17x plus 30 is equal to 0. So ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 becomes x square minus 17x plus 30 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. We know this type of equation. We see this type of equations. Now solve this equation by Sridhar Acharya's formula. So Sridhar Acharya's formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is Sridhar Acharya's formula. Therefore, x is equal to minus, this minus comes from formula. Putting the value of b is minus 17. Write minus 17 in a bracket like this. Plus minus root b square minus 17 whole square minus 4ac, 4 into value of a is equal to 1 is 1 and c is 13 by 2a, 2 into 1, value of a is 1. Therefore implies that this is the sign of sign x is equal to minus into minus, multiply the signs, minus into minus, that is plus, plus 17 plus minus root 289 whole square of minus 17 is 289 plus 289 minus 120 by 2. 2 into 1 is 2. Implies that x is equal to 17 plus minus root 169 by 2. Subtract 120 from 289, we get 169. Implies that x is equal to 17 plus minus square root of 169 is 13 by 2. Therefore, x is equal to 17 plus 13 by 2 and x is equal to 17 minus 13 by 2. So, x is equal to 17 and 13, 30 by 2, x is equal to 4 by 2, x is equal to 15 and x is equal to 2. So, x is equal to 15 and x is equal to 2. This is the answer, and our equation was x square minus 17x plus 30 is equal to 0. Value of x are 15 and 2, that is roots of this equation. We can write roots of equation 1 are 15 and 2. Now, second problem. X square minus 6x plus 4 is equal to 0. This is another quadratic equation. Equation number 1. Comparing equation 1 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, that is general form of quadratic equation. Comparing this equation with general form of quadratic equation, we get a is equal to 1. Here coefficient of x square is 1. B is equal to minus 6, C is equal to 4. Therefore, x is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. X is equal to minus value of b is minus 6, so write this, plus minus b square, that is minus 6 whole square, minus 4 into a, value of a is 1 and value of c is 4 by 2a, 2 into 1. X is equal to minus into minus plus, plus minus root whole square of minus 6 is plus 36, minus into minus plus, so plus 36 minus 4 into 4 16 into 1 16 by 2 into 1 2. X is equal to 6 plus minus root 20 by 2. X is equal to 6 plus minus. Can we get the value of root 20? Factorize 20 to 10 to 5. That is, root 20 is equal to root 2 into 2 into 5. Here 2 into 2, that is 2 2's comes, so we can write 2 root 5. 2 root 5 by 2. This is rough part, rough working. X is equal to 6 plus 2 root 5 by 2, and x is equal to 6 minus 2 root 5 by 2. Therefore, x is equal to 6 plus 2 root 5 by 2, and x is equal to 6 minus 2 root 5 by 2. X is equal to, we take common from 6 and 2, we get 2, 3 plus root 5 by 2, and x is equal to, same way, 3, here sign is minus, by 2. Cancel these 2's and these 2's, we get 3 plus root 5, and x is equal to 3 minus root 5. These are two roots of this equation, that is value of x. Therefore, we can write it x is equal to 3 plus root 5 comma 3 minus root 5, or roots of these equation are 3 plus root 5 and 3 minus root 5.